How to use photo mode in OTR 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily use the photo mode in OTR 2 game. So the first thing you want to do is to launch open the OTR 2 game on your device. And once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu icon on the right corner, this one over here. And once you hold it, you will see these several menu popping up such as shop, inventory, camera, options, etc. Just go ahead and select the photo mode and you'll be inside the photo mode of the game. Now, inside the photo mode, you will not see any kind of a shutter icon which you can use in order to take a photo of your game. But if you want to take a shot, then you can easily go ahead and press the power and volume down buttons at the same time on your Android device. If you're using iOS, then you can press the side button and the volume up button simultaneously. And right after you do that, you'll be able to take the screenshot of the page. Now you will get a screenshot and your photo will be added to your device's camera roll. Using photo mode in OTR 2 is a fun way to capture your favorite moment on the road. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.